Hi guys, I am Mel from Mel and Milo and now also Olivia. This channel is meant to inform and entertain and maybe put a smile on your face. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and like and share on your social media so I can spread the words about parrots. Have a wonderful day, morning, evening, weekend, wherever you may be. Thank you. Hi, today we're going to be talking about toxic plants, plants that you have around the house, and you might not even think that they're no good for your birds, but they are. So a lot of people don't know what these plants look like or their names. So I've compiled a little list of 10 of the most common that most people have around their house. And then I also picture a few other ones that are pretty common and are toxic to birds. I have put a list of good plants and trees and shrubs in here in this PowerPoint that's going to follow, and then also at the end I have put an extensive list of plants and trees and flowers that are toxic for birds. I can't show them all, there's too many, but I tried to pick the most common ones that most people know or even have around their house. And so hopefully you look at that very carefully, so wait until the end of the video. Um, yeah, so if you like my video, as always, please subscribe, please like, and please share. Please, I need you to share it so everybody can see my message. Do you like my shirt? Love hurts. Love hurts. Yep, see, he's in the mood. Okay, you guys, as always, have a good day, good morning, good evening, good weekend, wherever you are. Thank you. Plants that are toxic to birds. Do not have these plants or flowers in or around your bird's cage. 10 common household plants that are toxic to your bird. The complete list of plants are at the end of the presentation. The first one is holly. A lot of you guys have these in your backyards or around the house right now for Christmas. The leaves and berries are poisonous to the birds. Because the berries might look like a tasty snack for many birds, opt for synthetic holly in your holiday decoration to keep your pets healthy and safe. So when they're flying free in your house and you have actual fresh holly, they might eat the berries and that would be very dangerous. So don't do that. The next one is poinsettia. Again, another thing we have in the house around Christmas time, often get them for presents from people. The poinsettias not only are poisonous to birds, causing gastrointestinal issues, skin irritations, and other serious health problems, but they can make other pets and people sick too. So obviously, be really careful if you have some that your bird doesn't eat it, or just have the fake kind. Daffodil looks harmless. This flower contains a chemical called lycorin. This can be highly toxic and deadly. It can cause gastrointestinal issues and seizures in birds and animals. Looks super innocent and really pretty in the springtime, but if you have birds, do not have those in your house because they might nibble on it, and a nibble sometimes can be enough. Another thing we have around the house around Christmas time is mistletoe. It can be deadly to birds and pets. All parts of the plant can cause health issues, including vomiting, diarrhea, irregular breathing, and heart rate, and even collapse if birds ingest it. Again, these have berries, and birds don't know the difference because they weren't taught by their parents. And so, if they fly around and you have fresh mistletoe, they might eat one of those berries. And sometimes all it takes is one little berry, and they can get sick, sometimes even die. So have the plastic kind. Amaryllis. Plant, including the bulb, is toxic to birds and other pets. If eaten, it can result in vomiting, diarrhea, tremors, depression, and more. These are very pretty. They come as a little bulb in the springtime that all you have to do is put it in a little planter and they come popping out. But they are very deadly or toxic to your birds. This one I did not know and glad I checked. Shamrock. These house plants are absolutely toxic to birds and other animals and pets. They can cause tremors and excessive salivation, among other health issues. So even though they kind of look like a grass maybe or something, nope, do not give these to your birds. Next one is lilies. These are very pretty. You might get them for your Mother's Day or a birthday in a bouquet. If you have a bird, remove any lilies, including peace lilies. Lilies can cause severe irritation to the bird's mouth and digestive tract. Morning glory. They come in all kinds of varieties and colors. They have very soft petals and it might look very attractive to your bird. It poses a serious threat to your pet bird's health. Be especially careful if you acquire morning glory seeds for planting, as they contain a dangerous chemical similar to LSD. Very dangerous. Just don't even have it around if you have birds, because especially if it's a seed, they might think it's just food and they try to eat it. Philodendron. Not safe for birds. All parts of the plant are toxic and can cause serious irritation to a bird's mouth, difficulty swallowing, and vomiting, among other symptoms. Kind of like an allergic reaction when they nibble on that. So, no philodendron in your house, please. Ivies. A lot of people have those in the backyard on fences or walls. Ivy is several types of ivy, including the common English ivy, can be deadly to any pet bird who share your home. It can cause gastrointestinal issues, convulsions, skin irritations, and more. So if you have one in your backyard, then just don't let your bird get to it. Here I have a list of common, safe bird house plants. So if you want to have a lot of greenery in your house, you can still do that. Just make sure it's one of these on this list. Obviously, there's probably more, but this is one that it was a pretty condensed list that I found. I thought this was very helpful. And next, I have another page of a depiction of some of more common plants that are also toxic. A list of toxic plants comes after this. It's an extensive list. It does not include every single one of the plants, so do your own research before putting in a plant. But these are some more common ones that you might have around your house or a backyard. So bird of paradise, buttercup, angel's trumpet, elephant ears, juniper. Lots of people have juniper trees in their backyards. I mean, I see them everywhere. Iris, heliotrope, Mariana, of course, milkweed, periwinkle, poppy, sage, sweet pea, and tulips. Go figure, tulips are toxic for your bird. So here next is the list. So if you want to pause the video to look at all the names of these plants, you can go ahead and do so. I will slowly go to the next page. And again, this is the second. I think there's 4 pages altogether. So if you want to look at it, pause the video. And this is the 3rd page. And this is the 4th page. There are a lot of plants that are toxic to our birds. So please, please, please be careful when you have plants in your house or in your backyard. As always, please subscribe, please like, please hit the notification bell, and please share. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you want to inform your friends about toxic plants, please share with them on your social media. Put the link on your Facebook page, for example. So as always, good morning, good day, good evening, good weekend, wherever you are. Thank you. Bye.